Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.8 trillion. We're up 1.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, in the last 1 hour, we are seeing mild, red across the board, but I believe this is just a small retracement because Bitcoin is still holding very strong above that $38,000 mark. I believe this is just a small retracement, and I will keep you guys updated if anything happens and that needs to be covered. But so far, everything is looking not so bad. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Cardano. Alright, my ADA family, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $1.82. It's up 2.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 0.6% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $58.4 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $4.36 billion. And zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, wow. In just the last year alone, Cardano is up 2,220%. And even in the last 30 days, Cardano is up 33.9%. The reason I'm really excited is because we have seen a massive recovery for Cardano very fast. And if we compare this chart to other altcoins, this is why I always like to look at this chart so we get a better understanding as to where Cardano is standing. And now if we do compare this with other altcoins, majority of the altcoins too, guys, they are all down significantly still, and there's Cardano back into that green zone, and that goes to show how bullish Cardano really is, and it gets me really excited. So I wanted to point that out for you guys. But now let's not waste any more time and get right into the price analysis for Cardano. Alright, ADA family, if you guys can see, like right off the bat, one thing I want to point out to you guys is we are finally back into this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level that I have been talking about, and I was saying we will get back into this range, and we have finally gotten back into it once again. And now, guys, the next price target is, to get back into this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level and get towards the all-time highs. Cardano is ready to break all-time highs, and the charts are screaming that right, to us. If you bought back the dip, guys, if you manage to pick up some Cardano around this 1.05 cents level, you are sitting at 73.5% profits just in a week or so. So that is very exciting itself. And now if we are measuring the all-time high, like how far we are from all-time high, we are currently only away 26.58%. We're only down 26.58% from its current all-time highs. Absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Considering how big of a market crash we did see, we saw altcoins bleed like crazy, but Cardano has made a recovery very fast, and this should go and show all of us that how bullish people really are on Cardano. This should show us that right off the bat. And I believe as Bitcoin goes towards the upside and does hit the price targets that I have been talking about, the crucial price targets at that $43,300 level. Most importantly, this target, guys, at that $46,600 mark. Once we get above this, guys, I would not be surprised if Cardano gets back into this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, or even break its all-time high, guys, because right now it is looking very bullish. The charts are going towards the upside, but let's keep this in mind that this could be invalidated if Bitcoin decides to have a pullback. And you guys know the pullback is always a scenario, and right now it's not out of the books. if we do break below $36,000 mark, this last level of support, the last life support for Bitcoin is at that, latest higher low, which was at that $33,100 mark. If we break below it, guys, we have a very high chance of us breaking below $30,000 and possibly seeing $25,000, and that would invalidate this upward trend, and we could even break below this crucial level of support at that $1.50 and possibly get back into these price ranges. I just want to put that out there. Obviously, no one likes talking about this. We always want to go up, 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 but guys, you guys know we have to look at the realistic outcomes and look at all the scenarios and come up with what's most likelihood going to happen. But as of now, Bitcoin is holding above $38,000, which is a very good sign, and Cardano is making a very nice recovery. So as of now, the bullish scenario is outweighing the bearish scenario. So like I said, my price target now is this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We might see some level of choppiness once we do reach this range. Let me bring out the highlighter. We might see some choppiness around this level, but then I would not be surprised if we break past the all-time highs, if Bitcoin does gradually go up and hit those price targets specifically. And my next price target is still $3, as I have mentioned in my previous videos. So everything is looking very, very, very nice for Cardano, and I just wanted to let you guys know that. And also, guys, this goes to show, especially to all the holders of Cardano that are here for the long term, especially the newcomers, guys, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, guys, you need to have patience in this market. Imagine people panicking around this time that bought back up around here, and they panic sold, and then they saw markets recover up 76% from where they sold at. So basically what I'm trying to get to is, as I always say, when whales do manipulate the Bitcoin price or even the altcoin markets, their number one goal is to create panic, guys. Panic is their number one target, and they want to shake out the weak hands. So as much panic that occurs, guys, the lower the price goes. So basically what I'm trying to tell my ZX family is, if you have done your due diligence and have invested what you can afford to lose, guys, patience will be your number one key to follow, and you do not want to have weak hands that get shaken out. I cannot stress that enough, guys. And yeah, so far everything is looking very, very nice. And if Cardano does get towards newer all-time highs, guys, you guys know how important it is to take profits. Especially now, you probably have understood that before. You guys are probably like, what, Crypto ZX, you're just talking nonsense. We're not gonna. Cardano is gonna go to the moon straight up, guys. But now, you guys are starting to realize that these markets are very, very manipulated. And if you are sitting at some massive, massive profits, guys, it's smart to take some profits out and wait for some sort of consolidation and correction, because that will always occur, guys. That will always occur, and you do not want to get greedy at the end of the day, because you guys know I have been in these markets for a few years. I made a lot of mistakes. Don't get me wrong. Don't think I'm a perfect guy that has made zero mistakes and I have just, had like success after success in this market. No, that's not the case. I made a lot of mistakes, guys, a lot of mistakes. And, I do not want my viewers, because I care about each and every one of you guys. I do not want you guys making the same mistakes that I did. And I want you guys to maximize your gain potentials in this market. So that's why I share these kind of tips with you guys, so you guys can do that. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. I'm just trying to help you guys out at the end of the day. But everything is starting to look very, very nice for Cardano, and I will keep you guys updated if anything else comes out that needs to be covered. And also, going on to staking rewards, guys, it's not a Crypto ZX video if I do not bring out the staking rewards. You guys can see the staking reward, the staking value of Cardano is growing day by day. $42.3 billion worth of Cardano is being staked right now, meaning that 73.58% of the circulation supply is no longer on the exchanges, because people are staking and earning passive income. And this is also one of the factors, if you did not watch my video yesterday, this is also one of the major factors as to why Cardano is recovering very, very fast. Now you may be asking yourself, why is that? Because guys, there's less coins on the exchanges. Only 25% of the coins are on the exchanges from the circulation supply. So when the demand really does kick in, supply and demand factors kicks in. That means there's a higher demand for Cardano and there's less supply, meaning 25% roughly is on the exchanges. If we do consider that 73.58 is staked, that means that the price is going to go up even faster, and that's exactly what we're starting to see, and we'll only continue to see that happen over time as the staking rewards gets bigger and bigger. Cardano is one of the biggest projects in the cryptocurrency markets, and you guys know my stance on Cardano. I believe it's the ETH killer. We have been hearing the term ETH killer for the longest time, and I believe this is the one. And obviously Charles Hoskinson being a co-founder of Ethereum also plays a major role in this. And obviously, if you compare tech by tech, I've always been saying this for a while now. You can see Cardano is way more superior than Ethereum in so many ways. And Ethereum scalability issue, I do not see that going anywhere, guys. This is why we're seeing so much interest coming not only from institutional side and the retail side, also from developer side. Developers are looking at other blockchains to develop on rather than Ethereum, because Ethereum scalability issue is going nowhere. And we have been hearing this ETH 2.0 for the longest time, and so far nothing has fixed it. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm a strong believer on Cardano. If they keep on doing what they're doing, guys, in the next 3 to 5 years, I would not be surprised if Cardano does take over Ethereum. And yeah, but that's just my own personal opinion, guys. Always remember, only time will tell. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel grow and get my video to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. It's free to join, and let's build this community together. If you I'm sorry, thank you to all my viewers, guys. All my viewers, thank you for taking your time out of your day to come and watch my video. That means the world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And road to 20,000 subscribers, and this is just the absolute start. And with that being said, guys, stay safe out there. Safety, health, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.